Meaning of being. Being can be a noun, existence or living creature, or a form of the verb be, used in continuous tenses and passive voice. 10 daily use example sentences. As a verb form. 1. She is being honest with you. 2. The room is being cleaned right now. 3. He is being very rude today. 4. New rules are being introduced next week. 5. They are being helped by the staff. As a noun, existence or creature. 6. Human beings need love and care. 7. Every living being deserves respect. 8. He believes in a higher being. 9. The story is about a strange being from space. 10. Kindness is a part of my whole being.